With Omicron cases surging to record numbers across the world, officials are grappling to find a way forward. Caseloads in some parts of the US and UK are soaring to levels higher than the 2020 winter peak, as the global leader in vaccinations, Israel, contemplates a fourth jab.
A cheer goes up at Israel's Sheba Medical Centre for the world's first recipient of a fourth vaccine dose.
To paraphrase an old saying, it's a small jab in the shoulder, probably a giant step for mankind.
A leap not imagined at the start of the pandemic, another booster for the vulnerable. 150 subjects in this test group, all of them medical staff.
How high will their antibody response be?
A different approach in China. 162 people have tested positive. Authorities now plunging 13 million people in Jian into strict lockdown. Cleaners moving door to door, disinfecting the entire city. A ramping up of containment measures. The government still aiming for COVID zero in the lead up to the Winter Olympics. It's a far cry from the situation in the UK, where more than 113,000 infections were recorded on Christmas Day. The variant now 90% of cases, but no change in plans.
But there will be no further measures before the new year.
Across the pond, new vaccine requirements in New York, the first to mandate private sector workers. Children over 12 now have to show proof of vaccination to dine indoors and attend after-school activities, as the state's hospitalisation rate tops 5,500 for the first time since February, a near 190% increase since November 1. America now averaging close to 200,000 new COVID cases a day, 47% higher than a week ago, with experts predicting the country could see up to 500,000 a day in the next week.
But we have to do more. We have to do better. And we will.
The Centres for Disease Control today shortening isolation times for asymptomatic patients from 10 days down to 5, as many industries battle labour shortages thanks to the virus. 800 US flights cancelled today, with staff in quarantine. Only 62% of the population fully vaccinated. A mandate for domestic flights not off the table.
When you make vaccination a requirement, that's another incentive to get more people vaccinated.
In the United States, Alison Petrowski, 9 News.